I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and data. Open your virtualenv and install required libraries so packages behave consistently. Load the CSV with pandas, inspect head, and dtypes to understand structure, then check nulls and basic summary stats to spot issues early. Once done, cast types explicitly and drop or impute obvious missing values so later analyses run predictably and reproducibly. You proceed to the core. Clean, explore, and test, step by step. Clean by filling or removing nulls and winsorizing extreme outliers so results aren't biased. Then visualize distributions and relationships with histograms and scatter plots to detect patterns. Next, compute correlations and run appropriate tests, t-test for means, chi-square for categories, or regression for predictors, while checking assumptions like normality and homoscedasticity so your conclusions are valid. You finalize by fitting models and validating them thoroughly. Split data, or use k-fold CV to estimate generalization and record RMSE, R2, or AUC depending on the task. Make sure to inspect residuals and feature importance to interpret results, then save plots and export clean data and model artifacts for reproducibility. If something breaks, check data types, shape mismatches, and missing values first. Those are the usual culprits and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.